There you go. Your break time snack. Have fun in school.
Love you, Mom.
Katja Metzler examines the demand for sustainable mobility solutions from a number of different angles. As a project manager for eMAG and contact person for innovative transmission concepts, she's completely in her element. Above all, it's the eMAG Group's wide variety of technologies that convinces worldwide partners to work with us for development and production.
As a global player in manufacturing, the eMAG Group is equally at home in the Asian, European, and American markets, and it benefits from an excellent network with a total of 34 locations throughout the world. eMAG employs more than 3,000 people worldwide, including over 500 service employees, to ensure smooth operations around the clock. In addition to the modern production facilities in Jintan and Zerbst, the heart of our production resides in our German technology sites. Our single-provider production facilities are based on our broad range of machining and automation technologies, as well as our experience in process design. Our focus is on systems for the production of components for trend-setting mobility solutions, whether it's components for modern transmissions or for tomorrow's e-mobility. We're able to meet these high requirements with both innovative, customized solutions and in complex, complete systems. At eMAG, the future is already here.
Technologically advanced solutions for our customers allow us to answer many questions regarding the future of mobility. Creating these solutions are Katja Metzler's passion. Providing the highest precision and best quality are what make eMAG manufacturing solutions stand out. Customized solutions for crucial drive and transmission components are both a challenge and a standard requirement. Our commitment to provide our customers with the perfect machining technologies, automation equipment, and measuring systems is setting new industry standards. When it comes to innovative mobility solutions, we're dedicated to every minute detail, and that's what makes the difference.
And there's another mobility professional.
Sven Metzler, hi.
My pleasure.
Don't be bothered by us. The little man was getting very impatient waiting for his mother. I'll load your bike into the car. Bye.
I'll be right there.